Okay, I'm going to start the unboxing of the Aria 10-quart air fryer oven. I got it from Home Depot, I believe. And I'm going to start by opening it. See what we got. And let's see here. Cut through the tape. And inside the box is another box. And we pull the box out of the box. Okay. And here's what we had inside the carton. All right. And that's one side. And that's another side of the box. That's a third side of the box. And that's the other side of the box. Oh, now let me show you the top. There's the top of the box. And it's got a nice little handle here, so you can carry it around. Okay. So now, let's see what it's got. Let's see what it says on the outside. It says accessories: 3 mesh pans, a rotating rotisserie, rotating cage and handle, and a drip tray. 10 quart. And let's see what we got. So we open it up, and it comes with, first of all, a recipe book, and I guess this is a user guide. Nice little user guide, and we'll look at this later. But first, we're going to see what we have inside the box. And this is not a good sign. The plastic bag that the recipe book was in was ripped. But here's the recipe book. Okay, so we have these two things. And let's see, we have, to protect it, we have some styrofoam, which I should probably keep just in case I have to take it back for some reason. And then let's see what we pull out next. Okay. Inside the box there's a tray, mesh tray that's one of the accessories. And there's a styrofoam holder. I guess this is the rotisserie section. And now I can put the box away. There is some styrofoam in the bottom. And we'll put the styrofoam away. And there we go. And now we have a nice plastic wrapped container and a shrink wrap on it. It's got some nice plastic here. And here's the unit. And I guess before I do anything else, I should look at the user manual. Let's pause this here. Okay, so let's see. First thing I notice is there's some tape on the sides of the unit to keep it from opening accidentally in transit. So I'll remove those pieces of tape. And those pieces of tape being, oh, and it's strapping tape too, so it's nice and strong. Throw that away. And then, let's see if I can open the drawer. Okay, pull that down. See what we have packaged inside. We have two more mesh trays. And let's put those aside for the moment. And I'm guessing this is the basket here. So let's see, this was inside. Oh, there's something else in here. This must be the drip tray. I think this is the drip tray. Let me pull that out. Yep, this is the drip tray. Which goes right in there. Like so. And now there's some tape around this. I think this is the basket. And let me pull that off. And let me cut the tape again. And let's see if I'm right. And this is the basket, the revolving basket that came inside. And so there we have it. Well, it looks pretty nice. I like the way it looks. We'll see how it works in a little bit.